Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the field of application and the function of industrial engineering. These are the application of industrial engineering. Let's come to the first point. Basically, industrial engineering start from the need of the product to the dispatch of the product to customer and feedback. So the top management is the major application of the industrial engineering. Basically, industrial engineering assist management in every activity like designing, planning, analysis, inspection, improvement, decision making through their different techniques like statistical technique, commercial engineering technique, mathematical techniques, and the use of computer and operation research. Here the second application is the procurement of raw material. Basically, industrial engineering help the management to decide the quantity of procured material for the production, the economic order quantity and the reorder point of material at minimum cost and at less investment. Third application is the technical aspect. Basically, industrial engineering help the management to decide best design system and the equipments, the best testing methods and the analysis techniques also. So this is also the major application of industrial engineering. Next point is the maintenance. By proper maintenance and servicing of the procedure and techniques, and by proper maintenance and servicing of the machineries systems will help to reduce the maintenance cost, and it will automatically improve the production output and the productivity of the organization. Next point is the production and quality control. Here the improved design procedure and the advanced technologies will help in proper utilization of material. We can properly utilize the material with the help of different technologies, proper utilization of machines, labors, methods, processes to achieve high quality standard and better services to customers also. Next point is the material handling. The productivity of the organization is also depends on the handling of raw material and the finished product also. By proper handling of material will help to reduce the raw material damage cost and the finished product rejection and the cost of raw material also. So we can say by reducing the damage cost of raw material and the damage cost of finished product, we can reduce the raw material cost and the finished product cost also. It also consists transportation and distribution of raw material and the transportation and distribution of finished product to customer also. Next point is the analysis of marketing strategies. By analyzing complex marketing system and the pricing through different techniques like statistics, forecastings and the latest techniques like computers and softwares will help to develop the evaluation methods and the alternative course of actions. Next point is the relationship with the employees. Industrial engineering basically help to improve the industrial relations with the employee by providing them proper working condition, different type of trainings, incentives, compensations, etc. to improve the performance of the worker. So if the performance of the worker will improve, it will automatically increase the productivity. Next point is the finance. Finance basically industrial engineering will help to improve the financial information and it will also help to design the better financial system which can work in conjunction with the help of computers and softwares, so by which we can control the expenses of materials, labors, methods, etc. So these are the application of the industrial engineering. Now coming to the next topic, that is function of industrial engineering. Basically, industry is divided in different departments and each department has their different role. So here I'm going to discuss one by one function of the industry. So the first function or the first point here, that is manufacturing process and method engineering. This function include the selection of equipments, design of tools, jigs and fixtures, specialization, method standardization, work study, method study, time studies, and many more. Second point is plant layout and the material handling. Basically, this function consists the location of equipments, machines, and plant service and the services of plants within the work premises, and the integration of manufacturing facilities and the supporting facilities, and also the selection, operation, and the maintenance of material handling equipments. So it is basically deals with the equipments. Third point is the production planning and control. It consists basically the management of raw material, finished product, and the semi-finished good. So it is related to material also. And it also consists the management of machine, manpower, scheduling, routing, dispatching, inspection, and the evaluation. Next point is the storage or the inventory control. Inventory control is the major department of the industry. So this inventory control is helped to find out the quantity of material to kept in stock to meet the requirement of production, and the storage of material in systematic manner at proper location at minimum cost. Next point is the inspection and the quality control. The next function, basically inspection will help to reduce the cost of manufacturing and the cost of material, both the cost, raw material cost and finished product cost, and the processing cost, and it also help to reduce the production of production of wrong product, or it will automatically reduce the cost of waste material, and it will help to improve the productivity also, and it also help to determine the degree of perfection. The next point is the management of organization. By systematic activities of the production, proper storage and utilization of material, proper planning of workspace, work schedules, workers' policies and payments, social aspects, customer needs and satisfaction, marketing and management of other resources, these are helping the industry to improve the efficiency of their organization. Next point is the industrial cost control. Basically, to improve the efficiency and productivity of the organization or any industry, cost control is one of the important factor. Their cost should not exceed the pre-decided levels, so the company has to follow some procedures to reduce the cost. By proper use of material, by proper use of machines and manpowers, by proper maintenance of resources will help to minimize the cost factor of the company. Next point is the wages and incentives of the worker. Basically, financial incentives of the worker will also help to improve the output of the organization. So on the basis of the performance of worker, like some rewards, some awards in terms of money will help to improve the workers' performance, that is directly help to improve the productivity of the organization. So these are the function of the industrial engineering. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe the channel for more lectures.